Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, what three-digit number is both the square of an integer and the cube of an integer? So to find the solution of this problem, start with the smallest square, which is 4. Smallest square which is 4. So 4 into 4 is 16, and 4 into 16 is 64. It is square. This 64 is square, and we can write this 64 as 64 equals to 4 into 4 into 4, making it cube. So the 64 is both square and cube, but it is two-digit number. Here we have to find three-digit number, which is both cube and square of an integer. So with next smallest square, so after 4 there is a 9. 9 into 9 is 81, and 9 into 81 is 729. 729 is the product of two squares. So it is square. And we can also write it as 729 equals to product of 9 3 times, making it cube. So 729 is cube. Therefore 729 is three-digit number which is both square and cube of an integer. So our answer is 729. From available options, we have option D as 729.